All right, YouTube, it's Kinghuman. Check this out. I'm about to make you guys a lot of money. This is going to be amazing and it's going to be easy. You're going to be able to do it. We're going to hack TikTok for making huge amounts of money. And don't worry, you're not going to show your face. You're not going to have to do anything complicated. This is gold. And this is just one way to hack TikTok for a lot of money. I'm going to show you several. So here's what's going on. I am in the TikTok Creative Center. Now, this is where people come who want to run advertisements on TikTok. TikTok ads are really cheap right now. So there's a lot of people making a lot of money just running simple ads on TikTok. Don't worry, this is not going to be complicated. Check this entire thing out. So the first thing you want to do is Google search for TikTok Creative Center, and you will come to this page. And then you want to come to the ads library and click on top ads. I'm going to go through this step by step and it'll all make sense in a minute. So bear with me. I know I'm annoying. Just pay attention. So first thing I'm going to do is come to region, and I just want to look at the United States. So I'm going to click on that. Next, industry, come here and I'm going to click on apps, because that's going to be an easy thing. Remember, these are people on TikTok. So what are they doing? They're on their cell phone. They're on their mobile. So I'm going to run some ads for apps that they can download. And every time they download an app, I'm going to make bank. I'm going to show you exactly. Watch this. Okay, next thing, campaign objective. I'm going to click on app installs. And now this is showing me the top ads in the last 7 days. Now, if I want to look at a little deeper, some ads with longevity, I'm going to click on the last 30 days. And now I'm going to see the top ads that have performed over the last 30 days. So the first thing I see is this kid with a goofy hat, right?
Have you seen Sheba's performance in the...
Okay, I don't know what this is. I haven't done this.
Have you seen Sheba?
I'm seeing this stuff the same time you are. So I click on this, and now I'm going to look at his metrics. Okay, he's got 63.8 thousand likes on his advert. Remember, this is a commercial. He's gotten 1.3 thousand comments and 685 shares. 685 shares. People are sharing an advertisement for an app install. Okay, this is pretty interesting. Now, let's take a quick look at his ad and see what it's like, just for grins and giggles.
Have you seen Sheba's performance in the past year? I want to get in, but how do I trade safely? Sheba's on Coinbase. It makes it easy and safe to buy. Tell me more. Did you know Coinbase is one of the safest platforms?
Okay, so this kid is running ads for Coinbase. Coinbase has an affiliate program. Well, they have two programs that you can get paid with. One is refer a friend, and the other is an actual affiliate program where you get a percentage of what people put in their Coinbase account. So we could duplicate this exact thing. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying, Kinghuman, I can't make TikTok ad. I can't make videos like this. You don't have to do it. What you do is you go on to Fiverr, and you're going to pay about $40 for what's called a TikTok influencer video. And it's going to be some guy just like this, and he's going to make this ad for you. And then all you need to do is go to the TikTok Ad Center, upload this ad, and then put your link in there. Well, what is your link, and how are you going to get paid? Well, it's very simple. Let me show you. Okay, check this out. I've come to Coinbase. So if I want to run that exact campaign that kid is running, we already know step one is go find the influencer that can make us that video. Step two, come to Coinbase, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and then somewhere here there will be a thing that says, I'm looking for it, there will be a thing that says affiliates right here. Click on that, and then you will be able to sign up to become an affiliate right there. Become a Coinbase affiliate. Boom. You click on that and you will get a link that you can put in your TikTok ads, and it will send people to where they can download the app and get started. It's very simple. Now, what does Coinbase pay? If we look right here, the new Coinbase affiliate program, it pays 50% of each referral's trading fees for the first 3 months. So that can add up to quite a bit, right? Now, the other thing they have is what's called a refer a friend. Just so you know, these are two different things. Refer a friend, you get like $10 per conversion per person that signs up and puts like $200 into their account, something like that. I forget. But anyway, you can do either one of these, but I recommend the affiliate program because it's better than refer a friend. So anyway, very simple, very easy. But let me show you and take this to the next level. We don't need to promote that particular thing. So this is Max Bounty. This is what's called a CPA gateway. CPA stands for cost per action, meaning you can get paid when people perform a simple action, like entering in an email address in a form or downloading a piece of software or installing an app. So I'm going to come over here to search. I'm going to pick my geo, which is going to be the United States. Bear with me here. If I go too fast for you, you can rewind this and watch it again. Categories, I'm going to come through here, and downloads, no, there should be like an app. Here we go, mobile apps right there. You can tell I haven't researched this, right? Okay, mobile apps, subcategories, doesn't matter. CPA type, I'm just going to leave this as any. And now I'm just going to click on apply search options. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to CPA rate and click on that. And that's going to sort this by what pays me the most first, right? So you can see DHgate, that's something, you know, these I don't think you can even advertise. Long Game Rewards USA, what is this? Okay, this is interesting because it pays me $19. Anyway, let's look at this because this tells us how we get paid. So it converts on, meaning this is when we get paid, is when somebody downloads the app, opens the app, registers for a free account, and confirms via their verification code. And then they link bank account with long game app, right? So that's what they have to do for you to get paid. Let's take a look at the actual app. I don't know what it is, right? Fun way to save money, okay? It's kind of like a game for saving money, I guess. So that actually works out well because if we go back to the TikTok advertising library, let's take a look. I've noticed that a lot of these downloads that are being advertised are in financial arenas. So anyway, let's go through here. Let's see. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time going through a bunch of these, but I did notice here's Credit Karma, right? So there's a lot of these things that have to do with financial services. Here's another Coinbase, right? So Coinbase is actually looking like it's getting some good traction because I'm seeing several ads for Coinbase. So it's trending. I may take a look at this. And let's see, 55.5 thousand views, 372 shares, click-through rate. Now, something I'm going to go off on a digression here. TikTok has just put in pixels, the ability to retarget your audience. But let's take a look at this just for the heck of it.
Here's a tip for people just getting into crypto. Open up the Coinbase app and head over to Earn. Here, you'll find ways to earn crypto by learning about crypto. I'll do this one.
This is actually interesting because I did a video about this particular subject a while back. Coinbase has a way you can earn free cryptocurrencies. And all you have to do is just click on a couple of buttons. So in this video, it's a 19-second video, and it's so easy to do a video like this. You could do it yourself. If you can't do it yourself, again, you can outsource this on Fiverr. Probably cost you about 40 bucks. Then you come back over to Coinbase. You sign up to become an affiliate. You get your link. You put it on your TikTok ad, and you make bank, right? TikTok ads are cheap right now. Now, let me tell you something else, okay? Hang on, because this is where the rubber hits the road. Okay, pitch alert. If you want to learn and get this stuff running and go to the next level, I'm going to pitch you and tell you, hey, become a member of my website. It's called thekinghumanelite.com, because right now there's a 7-day free trial. You can get in here and you can, not only can you learn all the stuff I'm talking about, but I give you done for you courses that you can sell as your own. You can slap your name on them and sell them for whatever price you want. And I teach you how to do that too. Look at what else I give you. Check this out. This is a website that I give to all my members. It's on keto, and I give them the assets in this as well. I give them a free keto diet book so they can build their email list in the keto niche, and I show them how to make money. This could be you, right? I give you this website. I give you this website too. This is a membership website for make money online courses. Of course, you could put anything into it, but I've created the make money online courses for you, and I give them to you so that you can resell them. And I give you this website so you could put them in the website and resell it. Here's another one, green smoothie drink. Now, the other thing you can do with these websites is you can sell them as businesses or website templates to other people, right? You're not stuck. There's so many ways to make money in my website, right? So you've got done for you courses, businesses in a box that you can put your name on and sell as your own. You've got done for you websites that you can use yourself or sell as your own. And you've got my tutorials where I teach you how to pull it all together and make money. I don't know if you know me, but it's true. I used to be a stupid truck driver, and I became a millionaire doing this stuff. So I'm not a Johnny-come-lately newbie to this. I've been doing it for 10 years, and I make bank. And I will teach you how to make bank. Now, if that wasn't enough, I take things to the next level because I really want you to be successful. So here's what I do. I give you a private phone number. If you ever get stuck, you can hit me up by voicemail, and I will help you. I will be your private coach. You will not get some tech support idiot that's making $2 an hour. You get direct access to me, right? So anyway, come over here. Again, it's thekinghumanelite.com. Click on this, get instant access. What does it cost? $30 a month. That's like $1 a day. For what you're going to get, you're going to be blown away. And you get a 7-day free trial. So you come in here, sign up, and you're going to be blown away. If you do not like what you see within the first 7 days, you just quit and you won't pay a penny. In the meantime, you have access to all the training, all the tutorials, all the done-for-you businesses in a box, all the done-for-you websites, everything in there, and you can download as much of it as you want. But you only get one bite at the apple. So you're not going to be able to sign up, quit within 7 days, and then sign up again and keep doing that. Those people go on a blacklist, and they never get back into my website. So there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's up to you. I'll keep teaching you guys this stuff on YouTube, but if you want the deeper dive, again, thekinghumanelite.com. Become a member. You won't regret it. All right? Maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.